Hi, my dear children. I am your teacher Anuja from Bharati Dasnar Matriculation High Secondary School. Today, I am going to teach you an interesting topic from the subject EVS for second standard students. Okay, from EVS. Today, we are going to see about world of animals. Okay, children, about world of animals. In the last session, we have discussed about the types of animals, right? We have seen some types of animals like land animals, water animals, birds, insects. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss about what do animals eat. See children, all the living beings need food to live and grow, right? In the same way, animals also eat food in different kinds of food to live and grow. They eat different kinds of food to live and grow. Okay. Now, let's see some of the animals which they eat different kinds of food. First type is plant eaters. What is that? Plant eaters. P-L-A-N-T, plant. E-A-T-E-R-S, eaters, plant eaters. See children, animals that eat green grass, leaves, fruits and vegetables are called plant eaters. Okay, they are called plant eaters. The animals which eat the grasses, leaves, fruits and vegetables are called plant eaters. See children, we can also call the plant eaters as herbivores. H-E-R-B-I, herbi, V-O-R-E-S, herbivores. Plant eaters also called herbivores. Herbivores means what children? Herb means what? Plants, right? Herb means plants. So we call the plant eaters as herbivorous also. See children, some examples of plant eaters. Elephant, cow. See, elephant eat the sugar cans, leaves and grasses as their food. And then cow eats grasses, leaves and it gives milk for us. Now we'll write the spelling for elephant. Say along with me. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Then cow. C-O-W, cow. Now we see some other examples of plant eaters. See, what is this children? Very good, horse. It looks very cute, right? What is this? Rabbit. See, horse and rabbit also plant eaters. They used to eat grasses, leaves and some fruits and vegetables. Okay. Now we write the spelling for horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. What is the spelling for rabbit children? R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Rabbit used to eat carrot, cabbage, leaves, grass, like that. Okay, they used to eat the plants. Now we are going to see about the second type of eaters. What is the second type of eaters? Flesh eaters. What is this? Flesh eaters. See children, animals that eat flesh of other animals are called flesh eaters. They used to kill the other animals and then they will eat the flesh of that animals. Okay, those animals are called flesh eaters. We can also call them as carnivores. C-A-R-N-I-V-O-R-E-S, carnivores. Flesh eaters are also called carnivores. Okay. See children, these are some examples of carnivores. What is this? Very good. Leopard. L-E-O-P-A-R-D. Leopard. Leopard is one of the flesh eater. It used to hunt the other animal and eat the flesh. See, who is this? Lion. Very good. Lion is the king of forest, right? It also used to hunt the animal and eat the flesh. Okay, now we see some other examples. What animal is this? Very good. Fox. Spell fox. F-O-X. Fox. And then what bird is this, children? What is the name of this bird? Vulture, children. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. This is also some examples of flesh eaters. Okay, now we see next type. See, children, last we have seen that plant eaters and flesh eaters. Now, these type of animals eat both plants as well as flesh of the other animals. See, some animals eat both plants as well as flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. They are called what, children? Omnivores. O-M-N-I-V-O-R-E-S. Okay, they are called omnivores. They eat both flesh as well as the plant. See some examples. What is this animal? What animal is this, children? Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. It used to eat the fish and flesh of some other animals, and they also eat the plants as their food. Okay, what is this? Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Crow also used to eat the other animals or insects, and it also eat the food which we give. Okay. See, children, not only bear and crow, we have some other examples also, like cat, dog. These animals also eat both food we get from plants as well as the flesh of the other animals. Okay. Now, we see the next type. What is this, children? Now we have seen many animals which they eat plants, flesh, like that. Now we are going to see some other insects and birds which eat the different kinds of food to serve in the world. Okay. See some examples, children. See, few animals or insects serve other different kinds of food. They used to eat different kinds of food to live. What is this, children? What insect is this? Very good. Honeybee. Right. What is this? Honeybee. What is the food of honeybee, children? Do you know that? Very good. It used to suck the nectar from the flowers and it used to store it in the beehive. Right. It used to store it in the beehive. It is the one of the food for honeybee. Okay. What is the next insect, children? Butterfly. Right, it is very beautiful to see, right? We can see butterfly in different colors. Butterfly also used to suck the nectar from the flowers and eat nectar as their food. Okay, now we see some other example. What is this, children? Do you know this bird? What is the name of this bird? Let me tell you. This bird is called hummingbird. H-U-M-M-I-N-G. Humming. B-I-R-D. Bird. Hummingbird. Okay. It is one of the smallest bird in the world, children. It is one of the smallest bird. The name humming, it gets from the noise which it makes when it beats its wings so fast. While it beats its wings so fast, we get a noise like a humming. So, it get the name hummingbird. Then, do you know, children, hummingbird is the only bird which can fly backwards. Okay. Now, we see next type. See, apart from that insects, we have some birds which eat grains as their food, children. For example, hen. What is this? Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Then what birds are these, children? Pigeon. Pigeons. Pigeons. Hen, pigeons, sparrow and some other birds eat grains as their food. What they eat? Grains. They used to eat the grains as their food, children. Okay. Apart from that, we have some other insects and animals. What insect is this, children? What is this? Lizard. Very good. This is lizard. L-I-Z-A-R-D. Lizard. L-I-Z-A-R-D. Lizard. What is this? Spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. And the last thing is frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. See, children, these animals used to eat the other insects or worms as their food. Okay, they used to eat the insects or worms as their food. See, frog has one of the sticky substance, children, in its mouth. So, with the help of that sticky substance, it used to eat the insects very easily. The insect can't escape from the sticky substance. Okay, it is easily eaten by the frogs. It is one of the special thing the frog has. Okay. Now, in this session, we have discussed many animals which they eat different kinds of food. Right, children? Like plant eaters, animal eaters, that is flesh eaters. Then another one type is the animal which eat both plants and animals. And some other animals eat the grains. And then some eat the other insects. Okay, these are the things which we discussed today. Okay. Okay, children, in the below description, we have attached the subject material, question bank and self-assessment. For your further clarification, you just go through the materials and write it in your notebook, children. Thank you.